Good morning, students. Today is the first day of our new academic session 2021-22. So, welcome to class 5. Hope you all are fit and fine and with full of energy after a short break. I think you all get your books and copies, isn't it? Yes. Now, today I'll start our science class. Our science book is Science for Class 5. I think you all got your book. I'm showing you the book here. Okay? Okay? You know that our first class is on chapter 1. Chapter 1 is on plant reproduction. You know, living things produce young ones like themselves. This is called reproduction. Humans have babies, fish lays eggs. In this way, simple forms of life just divided into two. In this chapter, we will have a look at how plants produce new plants like themselves. So, let us start the chapter, okay? So, our chapter 1 is plant reproduction. You know, reproduction is defined as a process by which an organism, a plant, or it can be an animal produces new individuals. In most of the plants, they make new plants through their seeds. In this chapter, we will learn about how plants producing reproduct like themselves. Now, production in plants, okay? Most of the plants bear flowers. These flowers develop into seeds. These seeds can give rise to a new plant of the same type as the parent plant. You can see here. Here is the flowers, okay? So, these flowers some fruits here. And these fruits grow big in size. They may have a seed or many seeds. Here in this fruit, there are seed, and here there are many seeds, and these seeds give rise to the new plants. Okay. Seeds are important source of food. You know, all the grains that we eat are seeds. For example, rice, wheat, gram, kidney beans, peas, all are example of seeds. Coriander, mustard, and cumin are also seeds. And you know, these all seeds we can get in our, yes, it is in our kitchen. Seeds are of different shapes and size, you know. Some seeds like custard, moong are big in size, mango are big in size, while the seeds of mustard, cardamom, etc. are very small. And here you can see some different shapes of the seeds and some seeds like that of cardamom. Here you can see the cardamom. Plants produce many seeds, but not all the seeds grow into new plants, you know. Seeds require favorable condition to grow into new plants. Always remember, seeds require favorable conditions to grow into new plants. Only those seeds which get the right conditions grow into plants. These right conditions are, what are the right conditions? These right conditions are as follows. Seeds should be healthy. Damaged seeds do not grow into new plants. Seeds should get right type of soil and minerals. Seeds should get right amount of water, air, light, and warmth. Always remember, seeds should get right amount of water, air, light, and warmth. And here you can see the structure of a dicot seed. A seed is covered by a seed coat. Here you can see this is seed coat. And seed coat protects the seed. You know, inside the seed coat, seeds have fleshy seed leaves. These are also called cotyledons. Seed leaves are also called as cotyledons. They store food for the baby plant. The baby plant uses this food till it grows into its own roots and leaves. After the food from the cotyledons is used, young plants continue making their own food through photosynthesis. Do you know what is photosynthesis? It is the process by which plants make their own food. And some seeds have only one seed leaf. They are called monocotyledons. Only one seed leaves. They are called monocotyledons. Okay. And seeds having two seed leaves are called dicotyledons. Dicot seeds. And now I am telling you about germination. When a seed gets all the favorable conditions, it grows into a baby plant, which is called seedling. The process of seed turning into a seedling is called as germination. During germination, when seed receives adequate water, it swells, leading to the bursting of its seed coat. You can see here, bursting, the seed coat is bursting, and gives rise to the baby plant. Inside the seed, the developing embryo gets its food from the cotyledons. The baby plant first develops its roots. You can see here, the baby plant firstly develops its roots, and then a tiny green shoot emerges from the other end. Here, the root and shoot, tiny green shoot. As the baby plant grows, it starts developing small green leaves. Here you can see small green leaves inside the seed. The growing hook-shaped shoot straightens out and pushes the cotyledons above the ground. Gradually, the shoot elongates to form a proper stem, and its leaves unfold, eventually falling off the cotyledons. The cotyledons fall off. Finally, a mature plant does not show the cotyledons because they shrink and disappear with the growth of the baby plant. Okay. So, this is germination. This process is called germination. You can have a experience about this. If you soak some peas or moong seeds or green gram in water for 6 or 7 hours, and then drain the water and tie the peas or moong in a clean piece of muslin cloth, and sprinkle some water on the cloth to keep it wet. Observe it after a few days, and you will see a small white root-like structure coming out of the seeds. Take one seed in your hand and remove the green colored seed coat of the moong carefully, and observe the other parts of the seeds. In this way, you can have a practical experience. Okay. So, this much for today's class, and till our next class. Bye. I'll explain in our next class about more on this chapter. Okay. So, bye.